Hi, this is Yvonne Galusha, and this short little VBA video is just going to talk about the copy function. Now, we are very familiar with copying. We do that a lot in Excel. Let's say you wanted to move this student's scores. You would just highlight the range, Control C, move it over, Control V, and that's how you would accomplish the copy. And sometimes we want to not only copy the data values, see, this was just straight data, but also copy a value that's calculated. So if we did this, this should be review, and then we pasted it, Control V, we get an error. And that is because it's still copying the formula. So we know in order to do that copy correctly, Control C, we need to right click and say paste values, in which case if the formula were to change because the score was entered incorrectly and it's actually a 98, the modified score from the copy does not change because it was just a value that was moved. All right, so just to get you on the same page, how do we do that sort of thing in VBA code? That is the purpose of this video. We move over here now to the VBA editor. We will take a moment and look at a copy method that I've created. The first line of code right here is executing the copy method on a range. So you see the range is determined in the same way using range of ranges technique, starting with A2, right there, student 1, and then taking A2 as the starting point and going to the right, and that then becomes the range, and then we invoke the member operator dot the copy method. The copy method then may also want a destination attribute. So this destination is designated with this operator :equal, and it says the destination is H2. So that means the range will start in H2. Now we could run that. Let me comment out these two lines of code with a little thing so that we don't execute them. We just execute this one line when we run the macro. And you can see that worked. We have the student information moved over. Now, let's talk about the second example where you're doing a copy special. And we just want to do the value. And that's necessary when you have an underlying formula in a cell. First, I'll go ahead and clear the contents on this. You cannot do undo when you use VBA code. This undo only works where you've done it in Excel itself. So you want to keep track of that as you're working. Now we're going to perform moving down here B13 also to H2. But we are just going to move this value, 83.6. So we have a single cell range. We also invoke the copy method. And here we have a qualifying, and we say range H2 is going to do a paste special. And it's only the paste special specifically is going to be paste values. Commented out that one. This time we'll accomplish the second type of copy. Run this, and you can see 83.6 was copied. If we click on that, there is no formula. We click on this one, and there is a formula. I hope you found this helpful. Copying can be something you use quite frequently in VBA code. Thank you.